The new computer lab of Ratanmani Vidya Mandir English Medium School was inaugurated on Friday. MLA Paul Dangshu, Monu Soilengta, MDC Sanjay Das and others were present. On this day, the present guests were firstly welcomed and later inaugurated the computer lab by cutting the ribbon. The new computer lab was completed by the MLA fund. MLA Paul Dangshu, while speaking at the event, said that to enhance the students' learning, this new computer lab was established with a total amount of 6 lakh from the MLA fund.
Thank you, my dear friends. Over we have fund ni hoite procure khajamani construct khajamani o computer lab building over around 6 lakh ni kisa sakang nai over ang first or visit khai paper kaisa demand promani or school committee di je kaisa computer lab namani office kai proper office je hetu tong phangai kaisa environment bong nai je student of serni manai inge chini oro an loge honorable MDC tongo monu cheleng tani bo kai computer ikhan ro bising nugui mangkhana PC desktop kaisa rekha kai student of ni environment enrich khainan ingai bahke khaine ba obo hekino jonokisa khai tanglaina babe obo kaisa step na hai tangjama.
The event was attended by MLA Paul Dangshu, Monu Soilengta, MDC Sanjay Das, Langtorai Valley Voting House Chairman Joy Bahadur Rupini and others. Reported by Biplav from Chini, Khorang.